Hello everyone, today I'm gonna do the unboxing and setup of the Insignia Fire TV Edition 4K Ultra HD television. This is a 50-inch and it's made by Insignia. If you guys aren't familiar with Insignia, it's the brand owned by Best Buy. It's they sell budget TVs. I had a couple of them in the past. I haven't had any issues. The picture looks good and the sound is decent. This is the model number, and this TV was sold on Black Friday for $150, which was quite a steal for a 50-inch 4K TV. I believe they're gonna have the same model for Christmas, and usually it's always the same price as Black Friday. So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you add it to your cart and then just wait a couple weeks for the Christmas sale. I'm gonna show you guys the back of the TV and then we're gonna unbox it. So this is the actual size of the TV. It's a 50-inch 49.5, and it's a 44.4 inch wide, and as you guys can see, the stands up right here. It's easier for me to show it on the box first because there's all the dimensions. I would say about 40 inches. So make sure you have a TV stand that fits about 40 inches. Then it's about 26 inch high, and it's about 28 inches with the stands high. And this is so it's a 4K TV, has a 60 hertz panel refresh rate, 3 HDMI inputs. One of them is ARC. It has one composite input, one digital output, optical, which is for your surround sound, one antenna cable input, one headphone jack, one USB, and it comes with it's a smart TV, so it comes with the Wi-Fi built in. And as you guys can see, the remote is the Fire Stick remote, and it takes 2 batteries, has stand, screws, power cord, and that's about it. Let me guys show you what it comes. So it's gonna be on the left side of the TV. You're gonna have those inputs that I mentioned, HDMI ports, headphone jack, USB, and so on and so on. And then also on the left side bottom, you're gonna have the other stuff, like the Ethernet, composite, and antenna audio. And so let's unbox it, and then let's see when I take it out what it looks like. So this is what it comes with after unboxed. It comes with 2 stands, comes with the screws for the stands, Fire remote, which has built-in Alexa. We'll look at this more later. It comes with 2 batteries for the remote, comes with the power cable, and then it comes with the instructions, one in English and one in Spanish, I believe. And as you guys can see, the TV was very nicely packed. It comes with the 2 of those, one on the top, one on the bottom, and it has this cardboard that's on the screen. We'll pull that out. Yeah, I'm actually amazed how nicely they packed it. I bought some more expensive TVs that weren't as packed as nice. So what we're gonna do next is we're gonna put the stands, take the plastic off, put the stands, and we're gonna set it up on the TV stand. I just got the TV, I took the plastic off, I took everything off. So now we're gonna put the stands. As you guys can see right here, it has F and L. And you just match it with the other side, says front and left, and this one is gonna be front and right, which corresponds with this one. So as you guys can see, it comes with 4 screws. I'm assuming 2 for each one. It has this little, I don't know what they call, like nibs on them. So you're just gonna make sure you correspond the F with the F. So you're gonna put it this way, and L with the left side. So you're just gonna match the things inside. It's hard for me to do it with one hand, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put 2 screws in before I do this. Then I'm gonna match them, and then I'm just gonna screw them in. It's very simple. I'll be back once I do that. Just finished putting on the stands, and this is once I turn it on, it comes to this screen. I just want to say a couple things with the stands. They're very sturdy. Make sure you have like a longer screwdriver, especially if you have a magnetic tip on it. It will help putting on the stands. It took me about 3-4 minutes to put on the stands. I wish I had a magnetic tip screwdriver. It would definitely help, but overall easy process. Then I'll show you guys how to set it up. So I'll put the batteries on. So we're gonna do English, and because this is the Fire TV edition, it's gonna ask me for, you know, once I set up the Wi-Fi first. Now it's gonna check for the updates. It's gonna download some updates. It just finished updating. It took a few minutes. So this is the next screen it's on. It says select your experience. So you can have the full, which they recommend. It's gonna give you access to all the content you love, or you can do the basic. It's gonna give you the live TV and 5 streaming apps. Run too many ads. So now it's gonna scan for the TV channels. I have my antenna plugged in. I haven't set it up. This is the local antenna. So let's see. Sags the next plugged into device. All right, let's see if it's gonna find any local channels. I should have set up the antenna better, but we'll see how the channels are. I might have to move the antenna a bit. I'll be back when this is done. It just finished. It gave me around 90 channels. I'm pretty sure most of them won't work that good, but let's do done and let's go move to the next step. So this is gonna bring you to the Fire Edition home screen. This is what every Fire Stick, Fire TV looks like. I'm very familiar with it. I've been using Fire Edition TV sticks or TVs for many years. But let's see how so this is the live section. Let me see. So on the remote, I'm gonna assume this would be the live TV channel. And am I wrong? Let's see. Oh, actually, I'm not wrong.
Oh, very funny.
So this is the live TV section. Let me see if we can do some Fox. How the picture looks.
Do I change my behavior?
It looks really nice.
Not at this point, because I could.
So this button is for the live channel. So if you have antenna set up, this is how you're gonna access it. I'm assuming this is to move the channels up and down. Let's see. Yeah, it is. The only thing it doesn't have is the numbers. Let's see what this one does. Oh, that's the recent app. Okay, got you. So this is all the recent stuff. So it's gonna pull up all the recent channels and recent apps you used. Yeah, unfortunately, it doesn't have the channel. So if you want to go from channel 5 to channel, let's say 50, you're gonna have to press this button again and just do it over here. Right here. But the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set it up with my Amazon account, which is gonna give me access to all the Prime movies and my apps that I had, so I don't have to keep searching for them. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to settings, and then we're gonna do hold on, it's all the way at the end. Here we are. So it's gonna be all the way at the end. We're gonna do Amazon sign in setup. If you have Amazon account, this is what you do. You're gonna do sign in. If you don't have an Amazon account, create a free account. This isn't a must. You can watch TV without the Amazon account, but it does help if you do have an Amazon account, because this is the Amazon Fire Edition TV. So we're gonna do a sign in, and I'll be back once I finish this. Alright, I just finished synchronizing them with my Amazon account, and it's gonna show me all the recent apps I've been using. So you guys saw me download YouTube TV, then we were watching these live channels, and then I was watching some American Horror Story, Animal Kingdom, Grimm, and so on and so on. So it's gonna show me all the recent stuff I've been doing right on the home page. And then that's about it for the home page. So, and then you have the live section where it's gonna show you live channels, and then it's gonna show you some other apps if you have them, like Sling TV, YouTube TV. And then this is the antenna channels. And then what else you have? So you have channel guides, favorites, parental, channel scan. You can do the channel scan again. And then the next one is gonna be my videos. This is some stuff I saved, like some movies I was planning to watch later. And then you have the video, like I don't have any Amazon movies that I bought. This is just some, I don't even know what those are. I think I got them for free or something. And this is the recommendation. It's Prime TV shows that you the TV things you might like, and this is what's popular on Prime TV. This is all if you have the Prime account. So if you don't have it, then you're probably not going to be able to watch this section. And then the next one is free. This is all the movies and TV shows they offer for free. So you can watch some free Prime movies, news, and so on and so on. And then the next section, they have the movies. So this is some movies you can buy. There's some Prime movies for free, like this one's, for example, Prime movies for free. This is their Amazon Originals. And then this is IMDb, which also offers free movies with limited commercials. And then if you have the HBO Stars, this is how you access it. You can rent movies from this section, and this is all about the movies basically. You can buy them, rent them, or some are offered free. So the next section is pretty much the same thing, except this is gonna be about TV shows. And then you can see this is the different apps you can get. I haven't really used this section much, but you know, I might check it out one of these days. I do have Tubi TV, and then this is where you can get Disney Plus, you can get ESPN apps. So you have a bunch of different apps, you can browse that, and I believe you can, yeah, this is the game section, so you can even play games on this TV. You might need to get a controller, maybe like a Bluetooth controller or something like that, because it will be very hard playing with just this remote. It's possible, but I wouldn't recommend that. And then the last section is the settings. That's what we saw earlier when I set up my